a trainer.
You're never gonna lose weight that way, get help.
Oh, here we go again with her weight loss video and she's crying. Yeah, I finally connected with a coach and here's how it went. Hey, it's Faye. I worked out in my first 30 days of using CoPilot and I've never been so motivated to keep the consistency going for my journey. I think people forget that I'm a human being with social anxiety. Going to the gym, hiring a trainer, getting pushed to the ground while everyone watches you, strangers, judging me while sweating and panting? Absolutely not. This is why I partnered up with CoPilot, because they get it. If you're everything I just said, you have to hear me out. CoPilot is an affordable fitness coach app. They provide personalized workouts tailored to your goals and whatever equipment you have at home. I had weights sitting around for 2 years, barely touched. You actually get support from a real person. You get accountability and flexibility to work out around your schedule without the pressure of anyone watching, not even your coach. That was my biggest concern. Check. I literally poured my heart and soul, all my efforts into this. This is the most sustainable way to hit my fitness goals because it's doable. I asked my coach to put me down for 2 days a week with something challenging but achievable. I went for strength training. Why? Because I want to grow my widow booty. Besides toning up, I told her I'm not too worried about the scale. I just want to feel good. It's so cool to me that CoPilot are real people giving you support and personalized guidance. I literally text my coach every other day, and when we first met on video chat, we got to know each other a lot. It's all about consistency, honing in on real fitness goals, not drastic changes where it's like hard to adjust to. CoPilot focuses on what you can do today to lead toward long-term goals. 75% of CoPilot clients continue to work out after 100 days, which means they're 9 times more successful to sticking to their goals. I better be in that group. Check out my CoPilot link down below to get 14 days free with your own expert fitness and health coach. Now we watch. I'm about to go on a call with my coach. I'm very nervous, but I'm excited. I'm just getting like jittery because this is the first time I'm ever doing this and I feel very vulnerable right now. Her name's Olivia, by the way, and she's very, very nice. I can vibe with her.
I'm excited that you're excited and your enthusiasm is like bleeding into me and I love it.
I told myself in March I wanted to like actually start incorporating weights and slowly haven't had the proper training or even watching videos. I just didn't know if I was doing it right. I kind of like got discouraged.
Putting a little bit of purpose behind the programming and having that guidance on what to do, when to do it. What would you say is like your overall overarching goal working with CoPilot?
I think holding myself accountable, just being consistent, trying to build a booty because, oh girl, you have not seen my inverted booty. So
holding yourself accountable will create consistency. Consistency will yield results.
I hope you guys also know that having a coach for the first time ever is very much so out of my comfort zone too. I'm trying to find a balance, a middle ground. Today's my first day of CoPilot training. I think this is the perfect step for me to just get started. My coach Olivia, she and I decided that it'll be best to start out slow and just more realistic with my schedule. I can't wait to see how things go a month from now. I'm very optimistic about this. So yeah, I messed up big time today. First thing is to connect my Apple Watch to CoPilot's app. This is how I ensure my coach that I'm actually working out because it tracks my movements and heart rate. It's actually easier this way too because then I can skip rests in between or pause my current set if need be. I thought I'd hear a notification when it's time to move on to the next set, so I didn't count my reps as I went the first time around. CoPilot was telling me 12 reps of barbell upright row, and here I was repeating it over and over and I was responsible for counting. So I learned the hard way. I have no idea how I missed that, but hey, I got in 3 times the workout tonight. Don't worry, I caught myself. I made the mistake so you didn't have to. So you get like the demonstrations. You also get reminders on your Apple Watch. How long do we go for? Legs are shaking. Excuse me. My arms are on fire. Yes, ma'am. Oh, thank God. Oh. It's not perfect, okay? 12 reps? As in, like, I should be counting myself. I'm supposed to be counting.
Start the next step.
1. Girl, I was overworking myself.
Start the next step.
1, 2, 3, 4. The cool thing is being able to rate the workout at the end so Coach Olivia can get an idea if things need to be adjusted. Here I see all the parts of the body that I stimulated today. Oh yeah! Viewing my heart rate status throughout the whole workout gives me a pretty consistent idea as well. It looks pretty out of breath to me, but it gets easier once you've cracked the egg. Since we're here, CoPilot's super easy to use. Go into the app and to your right bottom corner is your chat box with your coach. You can text or schedule any video call when you need to. Your left bottom corner is your today task. Essentially, it's a calendar filled with
all your successes. You got this. As you can see, you can include any daily goals you want to be held accountable for. Your coach is the one inputting these tasks in, so trust that they'll be checking in. Not only do I have my workouts included on Monday and Tuesdays, but my goal is to drink a certain amount of water every day and walk my 10K steps definitely on Monday, Tuesdays, and Thursdays. It's non-negotiable.
I feel like my muscles are contracting. They're like super tense. So I actually canceled my workout last night. I was so sore yesterday. I tried to squat. There's no way, because I could not even get from standing up to the couch, and I'm still struggling today. That's on me completely. Learn from my mistake. It's honestly just so amazing. I have that communication with my coach telling her like, hey, I don't think I can do it tonight. She's completely okay with this. I really like how you can tackle your workouts however you need to, still being very accountable.
Right back.
Yeah, sunny days, no clouds in the sky, but again, away feels like
10 seconds left.
sorry, don't call me 'cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day,
10 seconds left.
all the stress and doubt, yeah, not today.
Start.
Like it's been a freaking decade, sorry, don't call me 'cause I'm gonna be on break.
10 seconds left. Now I'm just repeating the workout sets 2 more times. Doable, so I like that. Time to stretch. I told my coach about the soreness I've been dealing with, so she extended some stretch outs for me to just really work my muscles and kind of like loosen up those knots. 10 seconds left. And when I take this time to just meditate in the morning. Oh! 10 seconds left. That's time. Press submit to finish. You can submit on your Apple Watch, or you can submit on the app, whichever one you have open. Yay! Enjoy the rest of your day. I love CoPilot because it literally shows you how to exactly do it with your form on repeat. So if you doubt yourself, just check. Whoa! I don't have great balance yet. This one's new. I'm a little nervous about this one. Whoa! My form's not good yet. 5, 7, 10.
Leg barbell Romanian deadlift with 10 pounds.
9. Oh, my leg's weak. Oh my god. Oh, that's a tough cookie. Holy moly. Oh, I need that push. 9. Oh my god. I need a second. I can't do it. I can't. My legs are shaking. My legs are giving out.
Looking good. 45 seconds. 10 seconds left.
I look like a turkey on Thanksgiving night, ready to be served. I give to you my life.
Press submit to finish.
One of my highest heart rate. Yep, the single leg barbell Romanian deadlift. I've already finished a bottle of water. Gonna swipe on that, and then all I have left to do today is my 10K steps.
And just like that, I've committed to working out throughout this month onward. Here are things I've learned since starting this journey with CoPilot. The hardest part really is just starting. You just gotta get over that first 3 to 5 minute hump. The most rewarding feeling is being proud of myself when I finish a workout. My back muscles look the most toned I've seen in 8 months. I don't like the taste of water, and it's really hard to down a jug, but I look at it as a meal my body needs all day, and suddenly that sounds more tasty. I really don't care about the scale, nor have I stepped on it since starting. I can actually feel my muscles sore and contracting on rest days. Who knew them abs woke? I'm happier and less stressed when I work out in the morning versus evening. For the first time, I'm not working out for the numbers. I'm working out to feel productive, healthy, and consistent. I've habitually found peace within myself knowing my body is cared for. I forgive myself easier and more genuinely if 10K steps aren't achieved on days my body doesn't respond. Finding purpose beyond aesthetics is way more fulfilling. Intention, challenging yourself, building habits, and consistency from working out has made me want to apply these lessons in areas of my life that need help with regulating too.
Do you see the sweat? So one thing I noticed, if you're doing a set and you're meant to count clearly, if you stop your motion, it thinks you're done. It's a really good way to keep you accountable. You don't want to stop mid-workout. This is to encourage you to keep going until your set is done. Just make sure you're doing your reps all the way until you break from form.
It's more than just working out. It's better understanding yourself and finding tools to help. Coach Olivia shared with me this article about how to stop procrastinating by using the 2-minute rule. And it really resonated with me since I told her it's something I'm actively working on. How do I stick to good habits? Duh, the 2-minute rule. When you start a new habit, it should take less than 2 minutes to do. How? Well, there's always a 2-minute version of the task you want to tackle or the habit you want to engrave into your routine. James Clear states examples such as read before each night becomes read one page. Study for class becomes open my notes. Walk 10,000 steps becomes walk for 10 minutes. By simplifying things, it sounds more possible to start. Starting shouldn't be challenging. It's the actions that follow that can be challenging. We're so used to complicating things or feeling overwhelmed before we even begin because we're so consumed by the end goal. I plead the fifth. The truth is, starting a habit is a practice of showing up for yourself. Ritualizing the beginning of a process is what sets you up for a better opportunity at success. Don't give up. That's what happened to me working out with a coach in my first month. My body has become stronger, my mind has become more disciplined, and I realized how capable I am building habits that are sustainable. It's not easy, but trust me, if I can do it, you certainly can too. CoPilot are real people who care, who will tailor ways that fit your needs and share tools to help you feel more confident. Let me know if you want to see what continues to happen to my body using CoPilot for more months ahead. I'm rooting for you, Linda. You got this. We can do it together. This is my health journey, and I'm taking the power back.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside